Hi there, it's Chelle and Clint.
Hello, everybody.
Okay, guys, it is the moment you have been waiting for, a full flip through of the Red Journal. I have done some stuff off camera. For the most part, it's all been on camera. This one is full of hidden journaling spots, which was so fun to do. So let me show it to you. It's a 6-inch spine, 6x9.5, I think, and then a 2-inch, approximately a 2-inch spine. And the cover, did I say this was the cover? Anyways, cover 6x9, 2-inch spine, and then the back.
No.
Hand sewn on sequins, front and back. We made this bead a while back, and I made it with the intention of going on this journal. We put eyelets in the spine to hold in the signatures, and then I hand beaded all of these pieces so that so that it would work. And then I hand beaded this. If you purchase this and you're not a fan of this red part, let me know, but had an overwhelming response on my channel, just leave it. So I am. You can remove that as well. All the sequins around the edges were hand beaded, and you can see that in the playlist. Now I do have some seam binding, crinkled seam binding, and they have little charms on both of them, so let me show you that. That is tied into this beautiful bow, but we do have charms there. So I have a little clock and 2 little hearts there on that set, and then the back set is key and a little heart. So those were fun to do. That was inspired by somebody on the internet. This is the front of the cover, and this is a hidden spine, but the glue I was using didn't work, so we came up with the eyelets, and that worked wonderfully. And it is so beautiful. This is so bright and shimmery. The paper I'm using, this paper is from Case Ross Raw from Casey Company, and they no longer have it. It's been out of print, I think somebody said, for like 2 years. So, but yeah, let's go through it and see. The digitals, and I'll show you those, I got from Lisette over at Piece, Yarn, and Paper, I think is what it is. But this piece right here is from the digitals, so we have a tag here. The beautiful fabrics are from Amore Fabriques on Etsy. All that will be listed below. And then this is just a cute little journaling card, coffee dyed paper in it. So all these really shiny, not that one, but these really shiny fabrics, most of them are from that Fabriques, but go check them out because it's gorgeous. So a little side page collage. Here is a tag. There is coffee dye paper on the back. This is a secret journaling spot. As I said, this is full of them. So it just has this little tag here. And this one goes and is hidden this way. We had a blast. Clint helped me. We just had fun. This was such a fun journal. And like I said, he did the cover minus the little additions that I did. All these tabs are from Amore Fabriques. This is a little paper clip. I'm not going to take it off. And then just a little journaling card. Tag. This is a secret journaling spot inspired by Darcy of Darcy's Mixed Media Misadventures and Mixed Media, something like that. Here is a little, so that's a journaling spot. I love it, Darcy, so fun. Like I said, it's full of them. And it has a little pocket there and then a tag there. So not all the pockets have something in it because this thing is massive.
Yeah, it's definitely full, isn't it, babe?
Yep, journaling piece. Another. But this is from Lisette. Coffee dyed paper, gifted to me by friends. And then this was a fold over envelope. Let me show you. So I don't know if I put anything in here, but you can. So it just is little envelopes that I just designed this. I don't know if somebody else has before me, but it came to me. And then I used one of those really beautiful pieces. I don't know if that's how I had it. Let me turn it. And then just a little clip to keep it in place. And then this is just a little pocket. There is a place for a tag here on the back. This is some of that beautiful lace that we had in the front of the cover. A paper clip that I did a while back. I just kind of added some paper to it to make it go with this journal. So pull from your stash. This piece was so fun. It's got a see-through gold thread, or ribbon I guess. And then it has a little wax seal here. And then it's just a little journaling space here. So like I said, I think this was the most fun, the most creative journal that I have done. I love any hidden, you know, tuck spots and stuff. Okay, I'll fold that, or I'll tie that later. I'm just gonna leave it there. And then this is a little tag you can write on the back with a little tab and a little charm. And you can journal inside. So I'm just going to pop that in there, and then I'll look through it again and put it together. Another digital from Lisette. This I loved. I think this was one of my favorite pages. It's just a dictionary page. Has the love down here. I don't know. I just put it there, and then just a little trim and some coffee dye paper that I inked. Some more beautiful fabrics from Amore Fabriques. And then this is another hidden journaling spot. You can journal on that beautiful green paper. And it just pops up in there, and fabric clip. A little paper clip that just goes off, and then you open that up. Just some little pieces here and there. Another little paper clip embellishment. Journaling card. Some fabric there. This was another piece from that Fabriques. Amore Fabriques. Journaling card. Tons of little tabs. Little cute little tags. And then this flips out, and then there's a little journaling card in here, which I thought was really fun. And then the back of the envelope, it just has a little open spot for another little tag there. This was just a little collage that I added some of the fabrics, and a little tag there. Tons of places though, even though it's full, and this thing is full to the brim, it has plenty of places to journal. So just so you know, this was also from Lisette. Beautiful. This is another hidden tuck spot. Every time I look at it, I think it's a belly band, but it's not. So let me show you. I'm going to pull on this, open it up, have the journaling spot there, and then it kind of hides. It just looks like a really pretty decorative page. That's one of my favorites. Of course, I love all my journals. I always say this one's my favorite. So some little tabs there, little tag here, pockets, and that's the first signature. Oh, and in the center of each signature, I took the two, oops, it's not the center, took the two strings, and then I tied some coins on them, charms, you know. I love how that looks on the bottom.
Yeah, it really brings them together.
Isn't that pretty? I just love that. Yeah. I asked Clint if I could keep this one. He said no. But, you know, it's kind of like food. You know how to make it, so I may as well give it away. Or
Well, yeah.
so. My niece is like, she knows how to make it. Let her make her own later. If I want to, huh? This is upside down. Just a journaling card. But, yeah, And I try to put all my leftovers, and I'll send those to you too. That way you can decorate more or create your own thing. This was a hand beaded paper clip. I just think this is beautiful. Let me take it off so you can see it. So yeah, I hand beaded all of this around the edges and then turned it into a paper clip. Took over an hour. The ultimate tuck spot is right here. So if you get this journal and can't find everything, then just come back to this video. And this whole page is covering journaling spot. So you can journal there, but I loved this material so much. I really wanted it further in the book. Isn't that beautiful? Love it. And then I added this just to kind of help you pull on it. And then this is just a little pocket with a tag with journaling. Another little snippet. Some more lisettes. Paper clip. Just little odds and ends. And then another collage page edge. And then this cute little journaling card. I love how that looks in there. Lisette's paper. Here's another tab. This is another Darcy journaling spot. Let me show you that. See, used little tags there. And then you open it, you journal inside, and then it just closes back in there. And then I put these little guys in there. I think I need to tack that. Like I said, it's full of hidden journaling, which I absolutely love. Have another fabric flip from some of that gorgeous paper, or from that fabric, and then this is what was on the back of the journal. And in order to make it fit on the back, though, I had to restring it, which is fine. But fabric flip, little snippet, and then this I love. This is a secret waterfall. So you open this up, journal inside.
So cool.
And then you have your waterfall. It's kind of stiff since it's dried. Yeah, so you can put your pictures, you can put journaling in there if you want. Here's another pocket, little tag, and then this just goes right back in here. And there's a little magnet in this, so it's going to hold it in place. I love that. Another paper clip, journaling card. This is just a little pocket with some journaling cards in it. So you have one small one here, one there, and one here. Some of Lisette's digitals, and then this is another pocket made from those beautiful fabrics. This is a belly band. I love this so much. I think I had this. We did not have, I don't think this came with the Amore.
Yeah.
I think we had it. And then this is just some scraps and stuff that you can either use as journaling cards, you can decorate, you can use in your own journals, whatever you want to do. Another tab down here, gorgeous coffee dyed paper. Lisette's digitals, and then this was another piece. She does sell these at Amore Fabrics. I just love that. And then here we have a full pocket, and then if you remember this, it's on my Instagram as well as in my YouTube, but I created 4 envelopes, and they all have little journaling cards in there, and then they fold in on each other. Then it folds over. This one goes around this way, this one goes around this way, and a tie. That was really fun. I created this last month. Really fun, but if you want a tutorial, pretty much all this is in a tutorial on my channel. And that wraps it up. What do you guys think? Let me show you. Let me tie this real quick again. Forgot about those little charms. But I saw that on someone else's flip through and I was like, that is so cute. So let me tie this. If I can. Issues. Okay.
Say I can't.
There we go. And then I want to show it to you closed one more time. So we have the tie here, all the beautiful tabs, the coins down at the bottom, the huge
Dangling.
bead, yeah, and then the spine, the back, stunning. I love it. So
Beautiful.
yeah, this will be available on my Etsy, which is located down below. It's the Ramblin' Crafter on Etsy. Ramblin' is no G, so it's R-A-M-B-L-I-N, same name as our YouTube. But yeah, go check it out if you're interested in purchasing this. 3:00 p.m. today,
Mountain time.
Mountain Time. What time? I mean, what day is today?
I think it's the 17th, if I remember right.
Clint's gonna
It's
look.
the 18th.
Okay, it's the 18th today at 3 p.m. on the Ramblin' Crafter. Like I said, the link is below. Thanks for watching. Be sure and hit that subscribe button. Set your alarms if you're interested in this, and we will see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye.
Bye guys, thanks for visiting. Touchings everyone.